Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change the color of the announcement bar in Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to customize your site and make that little banner at the top pop with your brand colors, this is for you. Alright, let's jump right in. Here I am on my Squarespace website dashboard. First, let's head over to the website editor. Just click on Website in the left-hand menu. Before we start changing colors, we need to make sure the announcement bar is turned on. Otherwise, we won't see it when editing. To do that, go to Marketing Tools, then click Announcement Bar. Now, toggle the switch to turn it on. You can also type in your announcement message here, like a sale, an update, or a welcome note. Once that's done, click Save. This step is important so that Squarespace remembers your changes before we move on to customizing the style. Next, let's change the color of the announcement bar. Head back to the main editor and click on Site Styles. From here, select Colors. Now, look for the color palette that says Darkest 1, or whichever theme you're using. This will take you into your color theme settings. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Announcement Bar. Perfect. Here, you'll see options for background color and text color. Click on the background color to choose a new look. You can pick from the preset color palette or click Custom to create your own unique shade. Maybe you want your brand's signature blue or a bold red to catch attention. The choice is yours. Then, let's customize the text color. Click on it, and again, you can choose from the palette or create a custom color that complements your background. Just make sure there's enough contrast so your text is easy to read. Once you're happy with the colors, don't forget to hit Save. And that's it. Your new customized announcement bar is live on your Squarespace site. Quick tip before you go. If you want to make your announcement bar even more eye-catching, try using short, engaging text, like "free shipping this weekend" or "new collection just dropped." And that's how you change the color of your announcement bar in Squarespace. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and let me know in the comments what color theme you're using on your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.